If you've traded meme coins, you've got free Solana waiting for you. Here's how to claim it using Sol Incinerator. Now to get to the site, I would head to their verified Twitter account just to be safe. Click on solincinerator.com. Now once you're here, you connect your wallet. And we can see here, I've got 0.5, so half a Sol to be claimed, claim that Solana. And we can see here, plus 5 Sol, confirm. And there we go, you can see it update right there. Now I'll disconnect a wallet and I will connect a new one. And you can see here a wallet that I haven't done much trading on has 0.068 Sol, so I could claim it if I want. This basically means that if you are sitting in the trenches, if you've done a lot of trading, you can then claim some of that Sol. Now you just don't need to do it on desktop, you can actually do it on your phone as well. Head to Phantom, hit on the search icon in the bottom corner. Then when it goes to sites, you can type in Sol, right at the top, Sol Incinerator, and this should take you to the verified site. You then hit open, and this is all on the phone if you've done some trading on your phone. We will connect the wallet, Phantom. So we can see here in this wallet, I've got 0.174 Sol that I can claim right now, claim that Sol. Confirm. Boom, easy as that. And some Telegram bots even have it built in. With Trojan, you can see here, I actually went through and burned some tokens and ended up getting 0.69, nice, 9 Sol back from closing 343 accounts. So how does it work? Well, basically, anytime you buy a token, you have to pay something known as rent. And this is basically 0.002 Sol. And this then is essentially locked up so you can then engage with the contract. Now what you can do is when you close it off, which is what Sol Incinerator does, it gets you that refund back. So if you've traded a bunch of coins for a bunch of time, you're most likely not going to buy those coins again. So doing this will get it back. So yeah, just wanted to make this a quick, easy tutorial for you. If you enjoyed it, go down there, drop some love, all of that good stuff. I had a pleasure making this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.